Ready to turn that plastic or digital into a cheesy gordita crunch fiesta right from your phone. First things first, fire up that Taco Bell app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. You should see the home screen with enticing images of delicious Taco Bell goodies. Look towards the bottom of your screen. See that navigation bar? We're looking for the menu option, usually located on the bottom right. Tap on that menu icon. Once you're on the menu screen, scroll or look for a section labeled My Rewards or Just Rewards. The wording might vary slightly depending on the app version. Tap on that section. Now, this is where the magic happens. On the rewards page, you'll find an Add Gift Card button. It might be prominently displayed, or you may need to scroll down a bit to find it. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll be prompted to enter the gift card number and the security code. Be extra careful when typing these in and double-check that everything matches your gift card. The security code is typically found on the back of a physical card. After you've entered the information, tap Add Card or a similar button to confirm. The app should then display your gift card balance. Woohoo! Now you are ready to order. When reviewing your order before checkout, you'll now see your gift card balance available as a payment option. Select your gift card, confirm your order, and get ready to enjoy some delicious Taco Bell. Enjoy!